come for shopping. Wait. Oops, sorry. So we got some mangoes, tomatoes, apple, plums. What is shopping? It's healthy shopping. I've got these ones. Not always get these two. These are quite spicy. Wow, the coriander bunch, the size of the coriander bunch has gone down.
It's usually like
small.
this.
Yeah, it's usually like this. It's maybe we don't have enough fuel, so we don't have enough food supply as well.
Yeah. Should we put in a bag?
Yeah.
Hold
Hold it, Ness.
I want to get some mint as well.
Fresh mint.
Yes.
Fresh mint. Take this. There's water in. This one is good as well. Too much water, yeah.
This super crisp.
I have to. Yeah, man. Look at the trolley. It looked so fresh, and now all of a sudden we got packet food.
Got some here. That's just arrived.
That's Balaji.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. Oh, Uncle Chips. My childhood chips. I don't believe they still have these. Which one's this? Is it Uncle Chips? No.
They're super.
We used to get tattoos with these Uncle Chips. I'm just taking it big for childhood memory. It's not my favorite flavor, but still. No, it's Indian magic masala. That's it, enough.
Okay.
No more crisps now. We're just here to buy a lunch box for myself. I like the one with the bag. This is okay, but not the one I want. I don't believe we got these bags.
Are these yours?
Yeah, please don't show.
Mint is mine.
Go keep this bag in the front then.
Yes.
I'm just waiting in a car and trying to order some food. After a long time, I feel like eating outside. So we just ordered some pizza from Pizza Hut. Is it Pizza Hut?
It's from Pizza Hut, yeah.
Yeah.
I should have actually gone to Pizza Hut.
But now let's just go home.
Yeah. We've ordered quite a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot of traffic outside and we could have gone, but it's okay now. We have ordered already. And then by the time we reach home, in 15-20 minutes, our pizza should be here. And I just got this mango drink, mango juice. I don't know where is it made. Made from delicious Canusa mangoes. I don't know where is this from, but it looks like a fruity that we get in India.
Chips.
Oh, this is it's made in England.
Is it?
I don't know. Oh no, it's a product of Pakistan. Oh wow, okay. That's the product of Pakistan. I couldn't find any fruity or such, and I just saw a mango drink and I really fancy having a mango drink. So this is a product of Pakistan and this is a mango juice. Let's try. Shake before you drink. Yeah, I'm hoping it's same like what is it, fruity that we get in India. We believe in quality, yeah, no doubt. Hold this. I don't want to drop it on my clothes. Should I just lift this?
Yes, you lift that and you...
That's it.
Yeah.
And then, oh, okay. It's nice. It's just I wish it was cold enough. Nice.
I fancy samosa. I'm really craving samosa.
Order samosa then.
It's just down here when we're driving.
We can stop and get samosa.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Pakistan,
craving.
I like to drink. It's nice. Why laughing for?
I don't like it.
Good work, Pakistan.
Bearing in mind I've not drunk it.
It's less sweet than the fruity which we get.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just a
How much
little
sugar?
watery. It's just a little watery. I first said it's good work, Pakistan does. Now I'm saying it's a bit little watery, but it's nice.
How much additives are in it?
I just needed mango. But we bought fresh mango anyway. Yeah, we got fresh mangoes. Yeah, I picked up fresh mangoes. How long is it gonna take for our
It
food
should be
to
there
arrive?
in 10-15 minutes.
So let's just go now because you want to grab some samosas as well.
Yeah.
Okay. What did you get, Nas? All that bag full of what?
Oh, samosas and...
Did you get vegetarian samosas?
I didn't have any, sorry.
Nothing at all.
Nothing for you, no.
That's so mean. You're kidding.
Serious. I can get some vegetarian samosas from Harris.
So where did you go now?
I went to Roti Ranch.
So why
Oh, let me get some from there. Actually.
No, it's okay.
No.
No.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
We have food coming.
We'll go out later on.
Yeah, it's just it was nice, but it's just a little disappointed we couldn't do anything.
Mm-hmm.
We got to be really careful on the street because we have our neighbors' kids been running around the roads everywhere. And nobody cares. But I care because I'm driving. Oh, there's a lot of space. That should be fine. Well, my 1 o'clock meeting got cancelled. Then I ordered food because me and Naz both were hungry and I really fancy some nice food. Obviously pizza and some cheese triangles and stuff. This is mac and cheese. It's quite warm. It's nice. The mac and cheese. Oops.
Cut yourself.
No, my thumb just went in cheese. Oh, that's cheese triangles. What's that?
A triangle.
You got 2 triangles.
Yeah.
2 cheese triangles, okay?
Hopefully.
And then, I don't know what is this. Oh, wow. Is this a veg pizza then? It comes with mushroom, Naz. Okay. And then 1 spicy veg pizza as well. Sizzler's pizza or something. Wow, that's it. Naz, just come fast. You don't want to eat. You don't. Yeah, you don't want to eat cold food.